Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of making money online. Whether you're seeking extra income or looking to make a living on the internet, you're in for a treat as we explore the top 5 most effective ways in the upcoming minutes. But before we plunge in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for regular tips and tricks on financial success. Now, let's get started. Number 1 on our list, freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer a multitude of tasks in areas such as writing, graphic design, and programming. Identify your skills and offer your services, a fantastic starting point for those who desire flexible work schedules. Secondly, we have affiliate marketing. Recommend products or services from other brands and earn commissions for each sale or sign-up you facilitate. It's an incredible way to generate passive income. The more you recommend, the more you earn. Thirdly, online surveys and reviews. Companies are willing to pay for your opinion. Sign up on platforms like SurveyJunkie or Amazon's Mechanical Turk to participate in surveys or review products. A simple method to earn extra money during your spare time. Fourth on our list, creating digital products. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, or design templates, transform your skills into digital products and sell them online. Once created, you can repeatedly profit from them. And finally, at number 5, investing in cryptocurrencies or stocks. Harness the power of the digital financial market. Invest wisely and let your money work for you. There you have it, the top 5 most effective ways to make money online. Whichever route you choose to take, remember, consistency and commitment are critical to success. Which method appeals to you the most? Share it with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and activate your notifications so you won't miss a beat. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll share more tips for your financial success.